Are you looking for the best whiteboard software to brainstorm ideas, collaborate with your team, or create dynamic presentations? Look no further. In today's video, we'll explore the top 7 best whiteboard software that can revolutionize the way you work. Let's dive in, starting with Whiteboard, a lightweight and versatile whiteboard software. This tool works directly in your browser, making it accessible from anywhere. It's perfect for collaborative brainstorming sessions and quick sketches. Highlight features: browser-based, no installation required. Real-time collaboration, zoomable canvas for detailed work. Next up is Whiteboard.fi, ideal for educators and trainers. This interactive tool lets you create a personal whiteboard for each participant, perfect for quizzes and brainstorming. It's simple, effective, and ensures everyone stays engaged. Highlight features: real-time collaboration, easy-to-use interface, great for remote teaching. Moving on to number 5, Concept Board. This robust platform is perfect for design teams and creative professionals. Its intuitive interface and powerful tools make visualizing concepts a breeze. Highlight features: infinite canvas, advanced commenting tools, integrations with Slack and Trello. At number 4, we have Mural. Known for its templates and creative versatility, Mural helps teams collaborate like pros. Whether it's planning workshops or design sprints, Mural has the tools you need. Highlight features: built-in templates for quick start, integration with popular tools, focus mode for productivity. Number 3 spot goes to Stormboard. This unique platform combines the functionality of a digital whiteboard with sticky notes and project management tools. Perfect for brainstorming and strategizing. Highlight features: sticky note style collaboration, task tracking features, integrates with Microsoft Teams. At number 2, we have Miro, a fan favorite for businesses and educators alike. Miro's extensive features and pre-made templates make it a powerhouse for brainstorming, project management, and more. Highlight features: vast library of templates, collaborative in real time, integrates with Zoom and Slack. And finally, at number last, Canva Whiteboards, the ultimate whiteboard software. Known for its visually appealing and user-friendly design, Canva Whiteboards is perfect for presentations, team collaboration, and creative projects. Highlight features: drag-and-drop design tools, pre-designed templates, seamless integration with other Canva features. And there you have it, the top 7 best whiteboard software to elevate your collaboration and creativity. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech recommendations. See you next time.